world awakens. Golden sunlight spills across the garden, warming my fur. Each ray is a gentle caress, a whisper from the sky. Leaves shimmer, dancing in the breeze. I blink slowly, absorbing every sparkle, every movement. Life hums around me. A butterfly drifts past, delicate and free. Its wings catch sunlight like tiny stained glass windows. I watch, mesmerized, my heart swelling with quiet wonder. The air smells of flowers and earth, sweet and grounding. I stretch, claws brushing the soft grass, feeling life in every fiber of me. Shadows twist and stretch, painting patterns on the ground. I chase one briefly, then pause, enchanted. A soft breeze ruffles my whiskers, carrying scents of trees and water. I feel connected to everything and nothing, to the infinite. The sun dips lower, casting amber light. My eyes glisten, reflecting the world's beauty. My heart hums a song of contentment. The world slows. Birds sing in the distance. I sit still, a tiny observer of infinite wonder. The final rays of sunlight touch my fur. Everything glows golden. Everything feels alive. Everything is beautiful. And I, a humble cat, am home in this moment.